Hello, for today's program we have to write an assembly program to perform additional operation of all digits in your student ID and use watch functionality in MPLAB to show that your result is correct. So the first thing we have to do is to go to File and click New, and it will pop up this windows. And this is the program that I have written, and this is my ID DE96498. So after we finish writing our program, we have to go to File, Save As, and for me we lab2.asm and save. After that, we have to configure bits and configure bits. We have to change the oscillator to HS oscillator. Disable watchdog timer. Change the port to digital. And disable the single supply ICSP. After that, we go to project wizard. Next. PIC 18F4550. Next. And save as lab2. Save and next, and add the lab2.asm. Hit next and finish. So we have to click this one and try to build the program. So after the build success, we go open the watch. The watch is at view, watch, and we can also open file register. So for the watch, we have port D, trace D, working register. Working register on trace D, port D, and our address is this is the address that we'll be using. So after that, we go to debugger, select tool, MPLAB, sim, and we try to run a program. So our output is E7 on port D. It's our output because we move all the addition to port D. So how it get to this E7 is we can use the step into to watch one by one. So we set the trace D as our output and we clear port D. So port D equal to 0. So for the first one ID, hexadecimal 96, move literal to working register. So we put at working register hexadecimal 96, and after that we move working register to 5. Our address is 0x10. So as you can see here, 0x10 is 96, hexadecimal 96. After that, we move literal 49 to working register, and we move it to our address 0x11. So 0x11, 49, and next we put 0x hexadecimal 08 to working register and put it to the working file address 0x12. So after that, we move the value on address 0x10 to our working register, and so the working register will be the value of address 10, that is 96 hexadecimal, and we add the value on address 0x11 into the working register, so it will become DF, hexadecimal DF. So after that, we add the value on hexadecimal on the address 0x12 into the working register, and the last value after we add DF plus 08, it will be E7. So as you can see, working register become E7, and for the final answer, we go to the port D, move the working register to file on port D. So our port D will become E7. So that is our addition for my student ID DE96498. Thank you.